Hello viewers, welcome to SMC tutorials. So today we are going to be discussing on how to get started on the sex.io Telegram mining. So here is how it works. They already have an exchange on Play Store, like where you can buy and sell your coins. So their Telegram airdrop is currently ongoing where you can mine CEX token. So what you'll be needing is your Telegram, and the link to the Telegram mining will be dropped in the description box under this video. So when you click on the link, this is what it will show you. All you need to do is click on start. Then when you click on start, it will show you this. Just click on start app. So when you are registering for the first time, they'll give you 1000 taps. After tapping it will refill within 8 hours. You'll be able to claim. So after 8 hours, they'll give you 100. They are giving you 1000 because you are registering for the first time. So let's click on tax. There are so many tasks here for you to perform, like so many, and you can get a lot of coins from doing this, which includes, one of the tasks includes registering on their app on Play Store. Let's check out their app on Play Store. So this airdrop just started. It's still very new, like it started this month. So this is their app on Play Store. So don't fade this airdrop. It just started. It's still very new. So let's go back. So after registering on the app, all you need to come and do is click on check, and it will take 5 days for it to verify that you have registered. There are so many other tasks. Subscribe to their Telegram. Let's check out their Telegram channel. Go. So they have 1.8 million subscribers and they just started. Just click on join, then go back, then click on check, claim. That's how to do the tasks. Then perform the rest tasks, like everything. Then click on farm. This farm aspect, just click on start farming era. It will last for 4 hours. After 4 hours, you'll be able to claim your tokens. So click on squad. This includes your team, your invitees. Like if you share your link with your friends, you can earn 10% of their earnings. That's all about the referral aspect. So let's go back to the tap aspect. After clicking on this 1000, all you need to do is wait for it to refill. Then you'll be able to claim again. So that's all about the sex.io power tap Telegram mining. I hope this video has been very helpful, guys. Kindly like and share our videos for more content like this. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section, as a team member will be available to answer your question. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in our next video.